So here's the OEM BMW kidney grill removed next to the Amazon $30 for the pair replacement. Definitely made in South Central China, definitely a little bit more bling than the original, but that's okay. The reason I think I lost one of the originals is because if you notice here, every single retaining clip, these sit behind the hood and hold it from falling out forward. Every single one is broken off. And if you look at the replacement, they're intact, and they will, like I said, hold the grill from falling forwards. So now I'll show you how to pull the grill apart and then install it in the car. So the way the grills work is that they're two pieces. So there's the outer trim ring around here, and then there's the body of the grill, which includes the main slats. And the way to get them apart is to take a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool and go around and pop up all of these retaining clips. Let's see. And they come apart just like that. So you'll want to do the same with the new grill. Kind of go around and pop up the trim pieces. I think there are 6 total. Kind of 2 on the bottom, 1 on each side, so to speak, and then 2 on top there. So there we go. So now it's apart, and now we're ready to install it in the car. So to install the grill in the car is a little bit awkward. Definitely a two-handed job. I found what works is if you hold the body of the grill kind of up behind the hood opening like that, and then position the trim ring kind of where it needs to be, and then snap it together, and it should be good. So the driver's side's a little trickier because you have the hood release here. So make sure you get the hood latch in the second from right slot there. And I've kind of found that if you fit it in like that over the latch, it works pretty well. And once you've got it over the latch and kind of lined up inside the hood, then you can take your trim piece and slide it over and snap it together. Here are the grills installed on the car. They definitely don't fit quite as well as the OEM pieces, but they look the part just fine. They don't look too chromy. There's plenty of shadow gets in between the slats to kind of darken things down a little bit, and most importantly, they won't fall out on I-95, so we're all set.